be our watermelon and cantaloupe. So we're going to put the weed barrier down. We have, these are roofing nails, aren't they?
Gutter nails.
Huh? Gutter nails. These are gutter nails. And he bent them back and they make nice little stakes. These cattle panels that I'm putting up, I will plant cucumbers. While they're doing the cattle panel, we'll come over here and I'll finish watering the garden. My broccoli and cauliflower and Brussels sprouts, I do not have to water those. I have not watered them in 3 weeks, and that's because of all the weed barrier that I used with the leaves. Here is my green beans coming up. Now, again, I just did a no-till, just a 3-inch no-till. The strip that I just planted my beans only in, so you can see that there is no grass coming up in the pathways. What you do see over here is what they call volunteer potatoes from last year. I planted my peas in the middle of April along this cattle panel, and I have not once watered them. It's the weed barrier from the leaves packed in. I just moved the leaves aside, plant it, and put the leaves back. Alrighty, we are ready to plant. So we're going to plant cucumbers, watermelon, and cantaloupe. I laid the grass real thick right down here. So the grass, that's grass. It provides as a weed barrier, and it will hold moisture in the ground. But today I'll be like jumping all over the place. I work in the mornings, get things ready, and then while the sun's out during the heat of the day, that's when I'll go inside and do stuff that I need inside. And then about 6 o'clock it starts shading over again, and then that's when we'll start planting the watermelon and cucumbers. Right now I'm filling up the 55-gallon drums of water from the pond. We have a sump pump, and we pump it into these barrels, and that's what I use to water my garden with. Are you relaxing, Toby? Yeah. Okay. All right, well, let's go in and get lunch. When it rains, the rainwater comes off the broiler house. Down in here, then we have rainwater. If it fills up, then we can put it in here and connect this. And it drains out down into the pond. So everything's kind of like recycled. This here is where the hoops are here. This is my herb garden. I will put a little bit of a shade cloth up on top, like maybe like from here and down just a little bit, not much. So there is our mint that we eating. We got spearmint and we got peppermint. And then later on, probably tomorrow, we'll plant all my other herbs. What we're going to do here is, go ahead and keep smashing them down, that's okay. we're going to use these cardboards, and then I have a stack of newspapers. Okay, between the rows here where they meet, so grass doesn't grow up between them. Since we don't have enough We're gonna get these guys all in for the night.